What's up, online shoppers? This incredible little search and find kit is the ideal gift to give your little one to keep them entertained, whether you're traveling, whether you're rainy day activity, whether you're camping and you're trapped inside by the weather or the bugs. Funcils Search and Find for ages 3 to 5 is totally awesome. This was gifted to me by the brand, so let's open it up and see why it's totally awesome. But before we open it up, look at how convenient this is. I can shake it around. It doesn't pop open, which means little hands can carry this wherever they want to go, and they've always got something fun to do. Now, what's great about this? Well, first of all, everything fits in here. Second of all, you can put a name tag in here, so if you have more than one person, everybody knows whose kit it is. It comes with 2 little erasable markers here. Let's pop them out. You get a red one and a black one, and something else that's cool is they have magnets on the back of them, so they will stick in place. Really nice and easy to operate. Nice little fine tip right there. We'll put those down and check out the rest of this. Now, inside the kit, you get 12 of these unique double-sided search and find reusable activity sheets and hours of fun for your little one so they can stay entertained and doing something that isn't on a screen. Let's take a look at all of them. There's Farm Fun and Spot the Pattern. There's Under the Sea and Treasure Hunt. There's Dinosaur Era and Help Find the Eggs. We've got Arctic Adventures and Where's My Shadow? This one here is Find It in a Fairy Tale, and then we've got Spot the Difference, 11 differences to find. Here is Space Quest, and what comes next? This one here is a search and find for in the classroom, and then this one here is a multi-activity. First of all, find and count all the circle-shaped objects, and then count all the yellow objects. This one here is supermarket search and find, and then it's find the grocery item. We've got here in the park, and then we have here matching shapes. Here we go, search and find on the road or count the vehicles. Here we've got Christmas cheer, search and find, and where is Santa hiding his reindeer? Now this one here is pretty cool because it is a very functional multi-use sheet. On this side, you have the traditional lines for practicing printing or writing, and then on the back, you have a blank drawing sheet. Now all of these sheets work with the markers, and the markers are nice and easy to use. As well, they are also nice and easy to erase. So you see that these sheets are going to be multi-use. Just wipe them off and they're ready to go again. Now, when I have sheets like this, I also like to have some baby wipes handy because I find they get another really good clean. But who doesn't have baby wipes handy if they have kids? These search and find are such a great gift idea for your little ones. It's a great fun activity kit to have at your house if you're grandparents or aunties and uncles and you want to entertain. And they make really nice gifts as well for kids. We always talk about keeping kids off screens, and this is a really great way to have them interacting, physically looking, finding, searching, circling, nice little erasable markers, and these beautiful, bright, colorful sheets that have hours and hours and hours of fun in them. If you are looking for an awesome idea as a gift or just to purchase to keep around your house, the Funcils Search and Find activity set is ideal. It's got a great carry case and it's tons of educational fun. You can do it with your kids. They can do it by themselves. It's definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.